that type of album because of honestly that's the way that to be releasing albums is be sharing shots with the ops. You when I find you but to ever go sector stadium but which fill up na if I is go push you like na right as much kujwa on one show and Peter Mkaba stadium you will show you can push you 11. That's why na hiyo story she was success ngori yo push you ngandra ya right ini ya theory push you ngayo so those are those inoni ine ayikupushiwa will the stadium be filled vato does the stadium at the hapo mwana ngori ndikare blind risikuona as kuposta to raise the songs they are going to be big. I don't think like they're going to be big in the way that we're expecting it going to be big just that the album you know bana marketing I guess those that are going yo, we are back with another bang. You know what it is? It's your boy LPK, Lusani Africa. Yo, I guess today, I guess there's no other topic in business later. I guess today we'll talk about those with the one to talk about music. Because I guess Tango is the album, which is of our, this number 20 go through power. So I don't know to name that the one to come back. So rather than because of I'm seeing Maria honestly just the story she says ABCD I guess that and that it's been long in the current comments and so that is a tone the story one I had those already right now when it comes to so she says ABCD to to court case you know in she banamini as it is I guess after the trial you don't know to on bono do wait I mean don't know to on because of right now I think he's trying to take a stand so the one is so theory you know and I didn't just cover up I guess I'm not tired about that shit go you got to cover a case here and we don't know really the end up but I guess right now because of work on Missouri over now bajiva zvinepe vevadhani pala took a stand don't worry kuita just that we are not going ari kuwana information inji so we'll still kutoita mini namusizvisisa panda what else did happen yo so DJ Maphorisa and Xduppy the album is out so I don't know really why did they drop 2 albums I guess but they should have just dropped like those albums in like 2 consecutive weeks but I guess maybe they know what they are doing but they just dropped 2 albums. So I guess the ones who do the work with Germany, the launch was yesterday. I guess yeah, it was yesterday. I guess you end up Namosi Kongana. So it was like a huge event. Ceremony was successful. Even the album, but I don't know what is gonna happen when it comes to the album. Will the album be a success? I don't know. I don't. It's just that I'm not feeling the album. I'm not feeling it the way that I was supposed to be feeling it. Yes, there are songs there is yeah. There's so yes, the songs that is good one, but it's not like the songs there. I thought yes, these songs like they can be big. You know what I'm saying? Yes, we understand it's DJ Maphorisa. Yes, I'm feeling it's DJ Maphorisa, but when it comes to the songs, they are gonna be big. I don't think like they're gonna be big in the way that we're expecting it gonna be big. Just that the album you know when I'm marketing, I guess those that are going to is a big artist. It's not like a game nation people drop one thing. So I guess because of there's even DJ Maphorisa that side who is also dropping who Allen as Nalawali I guess it will be big because of it got so much many features like you Dalibo, you capture this small many people are there. So the ones who do the in album will it be a success? Will it but what we know it won't be big as like Scorpion Kings, It will just be like these albums nezaba achikuti zidropa nepakati. I guess one thing is that most songs like I guess it's tougher like this beat is neza kwito. I guess like this one is neza kwito sing the same because of most of the songs like are the same. So, when it comes to the beat, the chords, they're the same. That's how I'm singing. So I don't know, maybe time is because of how they are playing the piano or something. But when I was listening to it, I felt like most of the songs are the same. So I don't know really what will happen when it comes to it. Will it be the successful album that we want it to be the successful and then Avangayo or it don't balance because of we've been seeing him releasing, but this one now, and like, because of the thing, I guess he's trying to even him anyone DJ Maphorisa is trying to evolve when it comes to doing most of the songs in our dance songs because of the rough dance songs album in Nepal. So I guess even though you say it's rough, but I don't think like there albums in those who do like who will have it for many times. But the one you know it over successful one and I guess none nature the proven or Livhu will do over 19 and over because of I know you take this album. I didn't find any hit. One, I didn't find any hit because of the songs. I feel like they are the same. I feel like the songs they are playing the same chords, So don't know to say sound when sound in the quiver like sound actually necessarily you evolve over name sound sound you got still the same like in like type of like to capture wise but it's still the same so to the one to do the journey mara it's an album just like other albums if it's just that either way well marketed that is why is the the album in here because of if album you well marketed yes of course it's gonna be big one song I don't know if one song to the time make will it be big also Makhadzi will release album but I guess album Makhadzi Joe go back and speed I guess he's trying to even black master chooser just that I didn't feel that that song yeah when I master chooser one isisokongazi track nezakuitiwa I guess Kim that was right when you say yo I don't need you but I didn't feel the song just like other songs they were the debut and then the album there are songs in the there's like obviously she said when the track in there to 3 years you go to yes she said but it's not I she said well, yes in the track here I could hear mother I could hear chifhinga chamusi isati ubva chifhinga chamusi isati ubva paya chiseu rari kuibhamba 2 months but yori ubva ne ainge chava track ravaro yave idoveko iya ringarekotiya the way that we were singing ave kutiya ngayo so I don't know the time maybe tamwe idodoveko ditiya ngandira ine mara I'm not seeing it ichikotiya ngandira ilanye ravari kuona kuti idotiya ngayo kuma because atikubona even when it comes to training I got the training and they rauro expect chisa uchida chikutraina ngani mwa ikadito dinga zezimwe zitaka odzi internet yakalpa because una zitaka internet yakalpa mnyone you can see KPA ya I'm feeling like she just know like the songs ne kutozipore these songs na bro like as singing the songs ne ziyati yamwana so those are those all the time maybe time either they were successful because of the beginning it but track it and look at just that I don't know can you Makhadzi will be baby or she doesn't no longer have a mom both of we don't know about that or actually never been don't start TV and never because of like to release song in a yeah that powerful Makhadzi zvinaka muthu wena like of course those zvomwe affected kumana so even nayo urakono track yeso but I guess some is touchy because of most of the time ungori I bet it's not for the first time much concha track about to otomancha de mama why would do arachote right now coaches is one so the ones that is or element can never be like ugono that's why na the work could teach us also actually just track is not our so I don't know, but we just have to guess what the one as well. I don't see she any album. Either the buyer, either trender, like either the album, you can do the album, yeah, the score album. I guess she's trying to build like the whole catalog. Because of catalog, ya Marauya, where she doesn't need to have the catalog, ya Marauya Makhadzi, your Farazi, it one. So I guess she's trying to even build like own catalog, she's owning all the music, all the masters. So I don't know. Mara let maybe it's not like a I guess even Nantu. Yes, but I don't know when it comes to one woman show ya where I guess the young one Makonde. So I don't know push you on a man that is data bins of sugar like I guess so 17 days or 16 days. I come push you higher. We don't know since Chancha often mtyancho uri ṱoḓa nthu upfhi nyoso nkosazana daughter only ndio maybe ni romubona fhedzi a thi vhona zwiṅwe zwine zwi khou itea hafho muṅwe so ari ḓivhi uri maybe ṱhaṅwe she knows what she's doing muṅwe even na dzonzo na ine muṋe a vha khou phusha I don't know uri vhathu vha khou expect uri stadium vha ḓo tshi fela hafha na if I khou phushiwa na vha tshiṅwe u tshi khou itiwa hone ṅwe show hangei Peter Mokaba stadium iwe show i khou phushiwa ile event. That's why na yo festival she was success ngori yo phushiwa nga nḓila ya right ine ya tea uri i phushiwe ngayo so ṱori sa ḓivhi uri inoni ine a i khou phushiwa will the stadium be filled vha ḓo tshi ḓadza stadium a thi ḓivhi hafho ṅwana ngori ndi kale blind ri tshi khou vhona a si khou poster there's nothing tshine ri khou vhuya ra vhona tshi khou shita tshine ri khou ḓo tshi vhona tsha musi zwezwo ya ndo like I just seen that day haningei stadium u tami u vha a khou participate but yes ri khou pfesesa ya live na mini u sumbedza uri yes the show is live i hone mara o i phusha ile track a ri khou vhona a khou i phusha ṅwana a ri khou vhona a khou i phusha na luthihi a thi thu vhuya nda vhona a khou phusha track heiḽani na luthihi ndo ḓo ya luthihi live fhedzi zwa zwo fhela ṅwana so ri ḓo ḓi vhona uri ḓo itea maybe ṱhaṅwe wa ḓivha uri why a tshi khou i phusha so slow why a si khou nyanga u i phushesa nga maanḓa maybe ene muṋe I just feel like ene muṋe wa ḓivha zuri why a si khou nyanga u i phushesa so nga maanḓa ṅwana ndi zwine nda ḓo zwi amba uri maybe ene muṋe wa ḓivha uri why she's not pushing it the way that she was supposed to be pushing it because it was supposed to be being pushed like nga nḓila ine ra ḓo vha ri khou zwi vhona uri yes heyi album i khou phushiwa nga maanḓa like ḓo sumbedza zwithu ḓala I guess maybe ṱhaṅwe zwi khou itiswa na ngauri mini what does it mean like the stadium the capacity of the stadium maybe ṱhaṅwe maybe it's about to 10k to 15k max I don't think like it's less stadium tshi nga accumulate vhathu vha more than 50 you're not 50 more than 20k so ndi nga zwine ene muṋe like a si khou ḓo i phushesa nga maanḓa or maybe she hasn't really like a thi ḓo wana zwisponsor zwino ḓo dzhenelelesa nga maanḓa khayo because of I guess o ita because of she saw uri mukosi wo ita one woman show so na yeye ari khou nyanga u ita one woman show mara I guess ndi nyanga u support Jamu muthu a vhona zuri muthu u ita show na yeye ari khou nyanga u ita show because of so zwino a tsha i phusha show ya hone o soko sala o soko tsha dzi poster dzila a bele tsha poster ile zwo namba zwo fhela hanefhaḽa uri yes ndi khou ḓo vha na event lini zwa zwo fhela kho wana mara ṱoḓi vhona zwo ḓi itea mini muṅwe muthu ane a khou ita lini Mizo Phyll naye ngori u khou ntsha album nga dzi 18 u ḓo vhona uri album I guess vhathu vhanzhi kha album tshithu tshine ya Mizo Phyll tshithu tshine vha khou nyanga u ḓo tshivhona ndi tsha uri what will he say a zwi tshi ḓa kha dzi allegations dzine people start khou dzi amba khou wana ndi zwifhio zwine a ḓo ita mini a ḓo zwi amba what is his reply dzine a ḓo vha nadzo mara I guess Mizo Phyll is gonna play trick when it comes to this one u ḓo nyaga u tamba nga nḓila ṱhire ra zwi ḓivha uri Mizo Phyll u tamba nga ṅwana is gonna play the victim part ngo wana ine a ḓo vha a tshi khou amba uri mini yo vha tshi mbudza uri mini ndi mini never trust no one kha hezwo zwithu zwine ndi khou ita zwiṅwe zwo ngwana mini vhathu vhe nda ndi tshi ri mini ndi dzi khonani dzanga u nga ita mini ngo ntshandukela wala so ndi vhona unga ndi zwone zwithu zwine zwi khou ḓo itea hafha ndo ndi kha heinoni khou ṅwana I guess ndi zwithu zwine ene muṋe a khou ḓo zwi phushesa nga maanḓa kha heinoni uri mini na mbiwe like literally ni songo ḓo dzhiesa nga maanḓa khou tapa attention ya mini ya hezwiḽani zwithu nga maanḓa ṅwana so I guess ndi zwine a ḓo vha a khou zwi phusha blind uri yo vhathu vhe nda ndi tshi ri kha vho ngita mini vho ntshandukela they're no longer my friends wala I guess na uri u khou ḓo ita event kha mudavhini u ḓo vha u khou i launcher hanefhaḽa I guess uri ndi khoroni ya kale so I don't know uri u ḓo itea mini mara na ṱhaṅwe ḓo ḓivha sharp because a i thu vha na post a i thu vha na mini mara they fill it up because of Mizo una tshiṅwe tshitaila tsho sokou ita dzi event dzi sa vhe successful ngo ṅwana ndi ngana event dzine a dzi ita dzi sa vhe successful ngo ṅwana a ndi nnzhi event dzine a dzi ita dza sa vhe successful o dzamo fill up dzi stadium like and it's not like vha songo vhidza vhaimbi vhane vha khou tea u vhidziwa like tshiṅwe tshine tsha vha tshi khou itiwa right tsho itiwa right but we haven't seen the momentum ola uri yes khetsho u khou ita event hafhanoni stadium tshi khou fela people vhathu and the problem is that the date na vha khou choose lini vha khou tou vha and we all know uri u khou tou vha wise sa munakele people vhanzhi vha khou thoma u focus kha milingo u khou thoma u ṅwaliwa So not really much people vangatouya stadium time. I guess tango to zama date maybe earlier on, but I guess tango to my ideas zichiita maybe zichiva right. That's when achingakona release zvavo zvavo kuti mara we've seen zvizhinji zvine hata vachikuita mini zvichikova hange matumo kumwa matumo nange aritokonesa namanda uchikovana namanda nesune like casual kumwa kurelease zvitu mini arizviboni ngamanda zvisizvibona zvazvuri kuita event yes otoita Tambo Stadium vasanya kumupa stadium kumupa event aingova successful ngandire rachihopo rikamwe oitwa event Tambo Stadium itova successful. The event was not a success. So at the time we am diving, will it be a success or not? What at the missionary research they will it was success now. In capacity and the ones who do feel up. I guess the problem is that now the one he thinks yes, certainly or mutwa aumbulori ungayengendela is big, but nandrene aponunga big. As nandrene aba big guy. You can't afford to fill up a stadium. So the one who's road to the determine mara and then end up achi fill up stadium cham on the plan to achi fill up so to the one to determine that's so I guess the one who else I guess the album of Gigi Lamayne bro like it's the one there's only one hit and it's just that is that one Blade Mama it was a little empty. I guess no and we can't give the credit to MT. She did visually anyway. She really did a great job. But when it comes to the album that she is just released right now, it's not like the album that I was expecting. I guess just that she's not that artist near Karake. She can really rap and we can just bump into a hip hop like that. Woman has like so it's like it's just a song, just a hip hop. If even you can check even and the numbers are very low, and when I say they're low on one platform, you can even check on YouTube and numbers are low. Spotify numbers are low. iTunes all over and numbers are low. So I don't know why their numbers are low that like that. Why she's very known, and the album was expected she could deliver because of all eyes are on her right now because of the situation that Reason did last week. So we expected she could be delivering an album that most people were gonna jump into it. So it's just like other albums which are just it's good to Yanepo because of this album, this is as Nazino Zakwita, but so the album the way good I'm not seeing it like that. To people could younger this is good, but as the album says in it although one see over years we'll go and check it out just to see or release the album in a good year. I good year. But the album is not like that one. It's not that Gaylander and Rara who reacts to an artist like this like me should release an album like this near the way this big near the way good younger. But it's like it's good where the album was easy. So it's not about because one is the name and what we're going to one. It's not like an album and yo she released the best project one. It's like other albums come on so we don't really give a fuck about it. It's just like other albums. This one is good in Chongabatu. Sneeze Diva, the pieces over. And she has big features now when over feature album Mara. Still, she's not finding that way in a woman. He command you by you one and the India one. Mara little ones look to the time. Maybe the album is not very good. Yeah, Mara. It's not really giving that much woman. Aiko pangamanda ila mindira nera do waro kuti yo jalbami kuti ya mini yo kuti yangindira wala we are not seeing it like that ito the rest of album uma zizinera spona zichku tambi I think it is in the album zinera ngara kasi kuti so who else released an album I guess Lil Durk released an album so Lil Durk released an album TikTok. I guess it's not the album that we were expecting him to drop because of yes, the album is good, but it's not good in such a way we're expecting him to release that type of album because of obviously that's the way to be releasing albums. is be sending shots to the ops. Yo, when I find you, I'll be killing you. When I find you, I'll be doing this. Yo, you are a snitch. You are a this. Talking about most things about the one situation, sending shots to the NBA young boy. So we are not seeing that. Come on. What we are seeing, like literally in this woman, is talking about sipping lane, speaking about your depression. Not so much now come mental health too much, but we are not seeing too much of what of him like sending shots because of course he can't be sending shots to the ops because of the situation that he's seeing right now. Come on, he's currently dealing with the murder for hire case, so he can't literally be sending shots to the ops. So I guess you trying to talk about some positive things, but it's not helping. I guess even him, the album, I don't see with the album paying that much, but whenever though Besakayo. But just that maybe Kaurata and busy, Kurani, maybe that will go on. But for him to be saying, yeah, the album will be quit, the album can be doing this much and this much and this much and this much. Nah, I'm not seeing it to be that great in guideline. So, the one is the determine Uri Nazalbum we saw this week. It was good year. I guess people like you, Taylor, I see you. You also releasing, he just dropped a song. I don't know if the song is good or not. I haven't listened to it. The other one, let me check something. There's other people just release. Now to be now drop. Come on. Who's this game? Team Express now he just dropped because of he's gonna have an album with Melo and Cizzy. They're gonna drop what you call a collab album. I don't know when they will be dropping it, but I heard they will be dropping an album. So they just dropped a first song today. So now it's just a song. Just that our pen is very confusing because of the sound is the same too much more, and for you to get a hit is it's what and literally this year we haven't found like a hit that someone has released a hit. I guess, but I guess it's not as a hit, but we haven't found a hit that has been released. But literally is not because one there's no too much is another is release a hit like literally right now another thing you could yeah like literally the way go or one island in so one of the determine the one do you want to release a strict was good the one you know will come on song. So I guess we'll catch up another day. If you've been since subscribe, you know what to do. You better subscribe. It's your boy LBK Lusani Africa. Boom, I'm out of here.